age 19 to 24 advanced.
Give a round of applause.
Come on down.
All right, ladies, show your number, please.
You don't have to have your mask on unless you're comfortable. That's right. All right, judges ready? All right, drummers, take it away.
Ladies, show your number one last time. All right, thank you. Exit stage left.
All right, we're going to move forward with a 19 to 24 advanced category. Let's bring our next group of dancers. Come on down.
Show your number, please.
I got a feeling that the families of these girls are right here. All right, judges, you ready? Drummers, hit it. I think there was some smoke on the stage on that one. Jeez.
Beautiful. Ladies, please show your numbers one last time.
Man.
All right, exit left, please. Maruru.
All right, we're going to continue. 19 to 24 advanced. Let's bring on our next group of girls. Come on down. All right.
Let's show our numbers. Make sure your numbers are shown, ladies. Okay, judges ready? numbers ready. Let's do it. Show your number one last time. And Maruru, please exit stage left.
All right. We're now going to do the age 13 to 15 advanced dance-off. Please welcome dancer number 50 and dancer number 51. So 13 to 15 advance, number 50 and number 51. This is a dance-off. All right, judges ready? All right, drummers, take it away. about that?
Great job.
Jeez. Tough decision making. All right, ladies, make sure the judges can see your numbers. That's a tough one, man.
He's still smiling.
All right, ladies, thank you. You guys can exit left.
Maru.
So now
Here we go.
we're doing soloists.